everyone, today we are going to design M24 bolt and nut. First open your Autodesk Fusion 360. Create sketch and click on create polygon, circumference polygon. Radius, give radius to around 18 mm so that it form a diameter of 36 mm. Finish on sketch and give extrude to around 15.22 mm and again select the upper plane and draw a circle of radius around 32.4 mm. Then click on finish sketch and extrude it to around 0.5 mm. Then click on the same plane and create sketch once again and click on the circle to draw the diameter of the shaft. The diameter of the shaft is going to be 24 mm. Just click on finish sketch and the same again once again to extrude to the length can be given around 70 to 120 mm. I am here choosing 90 mm here. We just try to extend the length. You can just even give any length, but it should be around like 70 to 120 mm, not more than 120 mm. So I'm just giving 90 mm. Then we're going to give thread to the shaft. Okay, it's not full length we needed, so we just needed a specific length which is going to be around from 60 mm from the edge to, and also we don't form the thread from the edge, so we are going to just displace the thread around 0.75 mm from the base and click on OK. Okay, I've just got a mistake. I have no it's just not completely formed a thread, so I'm just once again going to form a thread and by this time you have to going to click on model and the same steps is going to be followed. By to give the length around 60 mm and we are going to displace it to 0.75 mm from the edge, from the base edge. Then click on OK, so that we form the thread on the bolt. Now we need to give some fillet radius to the length of the shaft at the place where we have created the circle. It's going to be 0.8 mm. Then click on OK to give it, and at the top face of the bolt we need to give a fillet radius, so it's going to be around 30-degree angle. So after doing the max calculation, it will be around 1.67 mm fillet radius. Now we can see that bolt is just looking like a bolt where we are going to these type bolts can be, these are lock nut bolts which is mainly used for assembly projects. Okay, now we are going to offset the plane to around somewhere where you would like to place it, but we need to place that offset plane in the thread. Just usual method, click on create sketch, choose the plane and draw another circumference polygon of the same diameter. So to form a diameter of 36 mm we are going to give 18 mm radius, click on finish, click on OK. Don't give finish sketch, go to circle and give the radius of the length of the shaft. So that's going to be 24 mm. Now you can give on finish sketch. It automatically intersects and forms the remaining parts so that you can easily extrude. It's going to be around 19 mm, which is just a nut. If it's going to be a lock nut, then its length is going to be 10 mm only. We are going to just select the edges to give fillet of around 1.67 mm. On both the edges we are going to give the fillet radius. We are going to now give thread to the nut. Just click on modeled and click OK. Now the thread has been created in the model. Now you can see the complete bolt and nut model. But now we are going to do section analysis so that we can find that bolt is properly suited on the nut or vice versa. Just select the plane to which side you are going to section, and now you can see that the nut is not properly matched with the bolt. So now you can select the nut to match with the bolt. Now we can see there is only a little gap. Now it's perfectly matched, and by tappering it with the in rotation, there would be no problem in physical. But this is virtual. But when it comes to a physical, there will be no problem. Okay, finally we have done our bolt design, bolt and nut. This is M24 bolt and nut. This is mainly used in assembly parts. Thanks for watching.